Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to submit a location-based template message. So first of all, let's understand what is a location-based template message. It is a template message that basically sends a location along with the message. So let's suppose if you're an offline store or if you are working offline and online both, and you want to send some location of the destination that you want to send out to your customers on WhatsApp, you can use this location-based template message. For example, you are inaugurating a new offline store and you want to showcase that store inauguration, or you want to invite people to that inauguration, you can send that location based template message to your consumers on WhatsApp. To submit a template message, you need to go to manage section, go to template message, click on new, choose the category. So this will come under the marketing category. So I'm choosing marketing as a category. Language is English. Template is, let's suppose, test underscore location. Template type, I'll choose location, and you can see there's a map icon that has been published here. Now let's suppose I put in like, hey, double curly braces one, uh, thank you for the continuous support. We are launching a new offline store near your hometown. We are pleased to welcome you there for the opening function. Let's suppose like this. Sample value, I put in like Mohit Dua, which will be the name. It could be like powered by AiSensy or anything that you want. If you want to have a quick reply buttons or maybe a call to action buttons, you can surely add it. But for simplicity, I'm not adding it for now. But in case you want to add a call to action button like, um, for example, RSVP now, and taking them to a page, let's suppose aisensy.com, for example. So that is something which you can also do, and you can enable the click tracking as well in case you want, and then you can submit it. It will take few seconds for the message to get submitted, and once your submission is done, this will take another few seconds to get approved. So template is successfully submitted. We'll go to template message again, check this is still pending. Click on sync status to see whether it's approved. It's still pending, so we'll have to wait for a couple of minutes before we sync it again. All right, so we can see the template is approved now. So let's go to contacts, and I'm going to send a sample broadcast message to the end user. Let's suppose test location underscore v1, test location this one, and put in the name. Now I need to put in the longitude, latitude, location name, and location address. So longitude and latitude, you need to put in just the numeric digits. No need for degree north or degree east, nothing like that. So my latitude, let's suppose, is this, and my longitude is this. So if you want to check out your location, latitude, and longitude, you can simply go to ChatGPT and they'll help you out. Or maybe you can use any other free tool out there who would be helping you out in finding your longitude and latitude according to the location and the pin code that you will be entering. Location name is ASNC, and this is the location address with the RSVP button. Amazing. Once done, I can click on send now, and the message will be sent to the user on WhatsApp. And the next part I'm going to showcase you is how the message looks like to the end user on WhatsApp. So I'm going to show you that now. All right, so if you can check, this is how the end user is going to receive messages on WhatsApp. That is location template type. They can see this is the location. This RSVP now is going to be the link that you have sent to them. For example, it was aisensy.com in our case. But yes, just one second. If you click here, it will take you to Google Maps, and there you can navigate towards the location that they have sent it to you. All right. So this is how simply and seamlessly you can send out any location type based template message on WhatsApp using AiSensy. Thank you so much.